Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your devices with Bitdefender software step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Bitdefender website. Once there, look for the products section on the home page. Select the Bitdefender version that best suits your needs. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open Bitdefender by clicking on its icon. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Create a Bitdefender account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information and click Create Account. Once your account is set up, log in to Bitdefender. Next, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find various security options and features. Start by running an initial scan of your device. Click on the Scan option and select Quick Scan. After the scan is complete, review the results. If any threats are detected, follow the recommendations to remove them. To enable real-time protection, go to the Protection tab. Ensure that all protection modules are turned on. Check the firewall settings to configure rules based on your preferences. Explore the privacy features to safeguard your sensitive data. Consider enabling the VPN for an extra layer of security. Set up automatic updates to keep your software current. Schedule regular scans for continuous monitoring of your device. Finally, familiarize yourself with the settings to customize your experience. This will ensure that Bitdefender operates optimally for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.